Join us for a 2-minute laughter exercise that you can take with you anywhere. Laughter is known to have more benefits than what meets the eye. This includes fake laughter, too. Every time someone laughs, the body releases endorphins, also known as happiness hormones. For today's exercise, we will be laughing together. It will begin as a fake laugh. As we move along the exercise, it might turn into a real laugh. Now repeat after me. Ha ha. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. This exercise may seem silly, but it has a lot of health benefits. Laughing is known to help improve your immune system, boost your mood, reduce stress, and relieve pain. Even fake laughter has the same benefits. We hope you enjoyed this exercise. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share our page if you liked this video.